Day 3 at Shoals, White River State Park. Early this morning in my favorite spot, watching the fly fishermen. Several of them out there. This is my morning spot. Sit here and drink coffee and watch. And this morning, my precious husband came with me. Hey, Keith. We might try to do some fishing, not fly fishing though. We don't know how to do that, but we might do some kind of fishing today or tomorrow. We're still hoping to get to go to Branson, maybe Sunday, since it's only about an hour and a half away. Let's see what he says about this water. Is it cold? Really cold. It's low this morning, but last night we came down, the water was all the way up to here. I would say it was about to right here. And they released the dam. There was a whole lot of it. And here's the person I was watching yesterday. He caught some.
Hard to believe all this is water. This will be water about 11 or 12 o'clock.
Mm-hmm.
It'll be all the way up to like the 4th or 5th step.
Mm-hmm. It was flooded last night. And there's another fisherman there. They're very interesting to watch how they do that. Looks like a lot of fun. And then there's a boat out there. This is our spot. And our camping spot, our trailer, is right there. See, it says booed up on the back. We just walk down the path. So this is a very nice state park.
That water come all the way up to here.
Yeah.
All the rocks are black.
Mm-hmm.
All the way across here.
Yeah. Come up very high. Well, y'all have a wonderful day, and we're going to see what we can get into today. Yesterday we had so much fun kayaking and playing in the water at the Browns Beach, riding our bikes through the park. Unfortunately, all the trails have closed because they had a tornado back in May, I think she said, and they had to close all the trails. So we don't have the hiking trails at the state parks, but they recommended some other hiking trails. It's not too far from here. We're going to look at those too, because we love hiking and love biking, love kayaking, love camping. Anything outdoors we love. So we're going to sit here and finish our coffee. Say good morning to my wonderful, loving husband.
Good morning. Don't show me too much. It's early in the morning.
Sit here and finish watching them fish and drink our coffee, and then we're going to see what we can get into today. Y'all have a wonderfully blessed day.
Cheers.
Cheers.